Okay, so I got the table saw, so I'm gonna show you some safety things really quick. So we have our cover right here that covers the blade when we're not using it, so we can just use this area as a table. And then when you're ready to use the saw, what you're gonna do is you'll just unlock this right here, and then you are just going to scoot this out of the way. And then when you scoot that is going to, if you put it over here where the ruler is, you'll be able to know how long the piece is that you're cutting. So you'll just scoot this over here, like this. And then whatever length you need, you just move it to there. And then you have the spot where the blade is. And then that moves up and down by this little handle down here. So when you're ready to use it, you'll just twist that, and then the blade will come up. You just need it to come up like, I don't know, like maybe like half an inch or something like that. Like you just need it to barely come up to be able to cut your material. And then we have our fan right here, and that just sucks up all the sawdust and everything. And then we have the little green button that makes it go, and then you press the red part when you're done, and then that makes it stop. And then the fan is just right over there, so when you turn it on, goes like that. There's a walker, and then yeah, and then I'll show you how to cut a piece of wood.